Toll is Asia Pacific's leading provider of integrated logistics services. It is an $8 billion revenue company with operations in over 1,000 sites across more than 50 countries. In Singapore, Toll's Global Logistics Innovation Center, Idea Lab, pushes the boundaries of operational excellence by researching and developing cutting-edge supply chain technologies. Idea Lab's latest development is RFID Enterprise Applications Platform, or REAP, a warehouse execution system designed to maximize process automation and enable granular, real-time process visibility. In most warehouse operations, goods go through a series of inbound and outbound processes. REAP utilizes RFID, mobile computing, and GPS technologies to automate and improve every step of the logistics cycle, representing a great technological leap for operations in the Asian region. The first step is the receiving process. This is where information about goods that have just arrived at the warehouse is input into the warehouse management system. In traditional barcode-driven operations, products are palletized and a barcode label is applied to the pallet load. The items are then registered to the system by linking product information and quantities to the barcode label using a handheld terminal. With REAP, instead of using a barcode label, the pallet information is linked to an RFID tag instead. This can be a reusable tag that is permanently embedded inside the pallet or a disposable RFID label. The next step is the inbound zone transfer process. This is a change of custody process where goods are handed over from a receiving zone to a storage zone. In a conventional warehouse, the handover is performed between two parties where every pallet is inspected, manually recorded onto paperwork, and signed off. In REAP, RFID gantries are installed at handover zone boundaries. When a pallet passes through the boundary, it is automatically detected and the zone transfer is electronically processed without the need for the driver to slow down. When a pallet enters the wrong zone boundary, an alert is triggered. After a pallet has been transferred to the storage zone, it is put away into a rack location. In a conventional warehouse, the warehouse operator uses a handheld terminal to scan in the pallet barcode. The pallet is then placed into an appropriate rack location, and the put-away operation is completed by scanning a barcode that represents the location. This step can sometimes result in the wrong location barcode being scanned. In REAP, the lift truck is fitted with a vehicle-mounted computer as well as a mobile RFID reader at the mast area. Individual rack locations are lined with RFID location tags. When a lift truck operator picks up a pallet, the pallet's RFID tag is automatically detected and its contents are displayed on the screen. When the pallet is placed into a rack location, the location tag is read and the put-away operation is automatically processed. This automation means the operator does not have to exit the truck to scan barcodes, and there is no opportunity for erroneous scan. The system also alerts the operator when inappropriate operations are performed. As part of warehouse housekeeping or replenishment operations, a pallet may be transferred from one location to another. In a typical location transfer process, location transfer request paperwork is first raised, after which the request is then keyed into the system. A location transfer list is then printed out and handed over to the warehouse operator, who performs the physical transfer of the pallet. Once this is completed, the location change is updated to the system. In REAP, the lift truck automatically detects the pallet and location tags and instantly validates whether the transfer out operation is allowed. When the pallet is brought to its new location, the system validates the pallet against its new location and automatically performs the update. When goods are ordered by a customer, items need to be picked from their storage locations. Traditionally, a paper pick list is printed out from the warehouse management system. This pick list is then sorted out and distributed to the warehouse operator. Items are picked according to the pick list and manually checked off in the paper pick list. This pick status is later manually updated to the warehouse management system. In REAP, pick tasks are automatically distributed to the lift truck's computer screens, eliminating the need for paperwork. During a full pallet pick, the system scans the pallet and location tags to ensure the correct pallet is being picked and updates the pick task confirmation to the system in real time. When loose items are to be picked, the system detects and validates the source pallet and location and transfers the picked inventory to a destination pallet. The pick task confirmation is also updated instantly. After the items have been picked, they are transferred out from the storage zone to the shipment zone via a handover process. The traditional zone transfer out process is similar to the transfer in process, where handover is manually processed between two parties. In REAP, when a picked pallet passes through the handover gantries, the zone transfer is automatically processed. When a pallet that has not been picked is illegally transferred out, an alert is triggered. In the final leg of the warehouse process, the goods are loaded into a vehicle, shipped out of the warehouse and delivered to the customer's destination. In a conventional warehouse, the order is tallied and a shipment manifest paperwork is manually generated before being loaded into a truck. With REAP, a vehicle with an RFID tag attached is automatically detected when it approaches a loading bay. Outbound pallets pass through a shipment gantry as they are loaded into the truck. The pallets are automatically tallied and a shipment confirmation is automatically updated to the system. The shipment manifest is then automatically printed. The user is also alerted when a wrong pallet is being loaded into the wrong vehicle, preventing erroneous shipments. When the vehicle leaves the warehouse, the GPS system on the vehicle takes over, enabling the in-transit position of every pallet in every order to be determined in real time. When the vehicle reaches the customer's location, the delivery status of the order is updated instantly. The improved processes in REAP translate to improved efficiency with up to 20% productivity gain, enhanced accuracy through up to 50% error reduction, and a whole new level of operational visibility. REAP, the next generation warehousing technology.